Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video by Format Works. So in this tutorial video, we will learn about developer tab in Office applications like PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. So what is a developer tab? So developer tab is something that you will require while using Office applications to enable macros and Visual Basic in your file. So let me just show you through this one file what is the developer tab and what all functionalities are available in the developer tab. So as you can see in my screen, I already have my developer tab enabled. So for the sake of this tutorial, first I will just walk you through the functionalities in the developer tab. Then we will discuss on how to enable this developer tab. So first, the developer tab has functionalities of Visual Basic macros, macro security, PowerPoint add-ins. So in terms of Excel, you'll have something else, and some other add-ins and some form creation tools. So if you click Visual Basic, you'll have the option to create modules or user forms or some other functionalities. And if you go to the macros, so you can just start writing the name of your macros and start recording the steps that you do in the Office application and create your own customized macros. So this is a very important and advanced functionality in the Office application. So let me just disable this first and tell you how to do it. Okay, so first, right now I have disabled the developer tab. So first, what you need to do is you can open any Office application like PowerPoint or maybe Excel, whatever is feasible for you, and then go to the options, file, then options. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using the latest version of Office application. So let me know if you need a tutorial on the other older versions of your Office application. So once you go to the option, file, then option, then you just need to click the customize ribbon tab, and in the main tab section, so you must have the main tab selected over here, and in the main tab section you just scroll down and you'll find the developer item over there. So once you click this and hit OK, then the developer tab is auto enabled. So it is very simple. So that is all that I have right now. So what you can do, you can just enable for further functionalities and put some form over here and create a form inside your presentation or maybe Excel or maybe some other Office application. So that is all. So to disable this, again you have to go to the options and then just click disable, and it will be disabled. So this is how you do it. It is very simple tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.